During 2010, the industry consolidation and sustainable agriculture also taken into next phases, like a decade of witnessed greater integration of these biopesticides into national sustainability programs, while industry capacity expanded significantly and policy also supported the promotion under National Mission on Sustainable Agriculture and expansion of organic farming initiatives. The greater emphasis on environmentally safe protection. So these are all made industry to trends in annual market growth approximately more than 5 to 6% and increased the farmer awareness through demonstration and extension services and expansion of manufacturing facilities across India. Strong export growth of neem bio-based products also started from India, and even scientific advances also improved fermentation technology is taken place, and better formulations and enhanced shelf life also made by industries with the support of the public sectors by from ICR, and development of liquid microbial formulation also taken place and improved the quality control standards. So these given the more impact on biopesticides to become recognized as an essential component of sustainable crop production system.